Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is so freaking cold that the battery on a Mazda remote control, or you can see the one that unlocks the car, is completely done. And we'll need to replace it guys. So if you have a remote control like that for a Mazda, you know, it could be CX-7, CX-9, CX-5 I think even, Mazda 3, 6, many of them use the same kind of remote. So stay with us and we're gonna show you how to remove and replace the battery now. Alright guys, and if you, as you can see, when we press the button, the car does not lock or unlock itself. So in order to open that thing guys, what you need to do, you need to get a very little screwdriver. Knife would work too. Be very careful not to cut yourself. And you need to pry right here, okay, between these two. Okay, right here. So let us show you now, and we will show you what kind of battery it uses in a little bit. Okay, so right there now, if you get the screwdriver and just twist it a little bit, you're going to open the front end first. Okay, and lift it up from the front towards the back. Okay, right there. So that's the buttons, that's the electronics here. You don't need to mess with this one. The battery is located right there guys, so all we need to do, just get the screwdriver, pry it out. Okay, flying everywhere. And this is the new battery that we have right here. Okay, Energizer battery, that's the number CR1620. Okay, plus should be down, so we're going to install it here like that. Okay, this is the Panasonic, so just make sure you get it, and you need to press down to lock. And it still didn't on one side. It's pretty tight fit, but it's a good thing that way it's not going to come loose. Okay, and then you need to get this one, and you need to start from the back side. Okay, install it like that, push all the way the back in and then the front. Okay, and it clicks. So now you can see it's closed all the way, looks good, and it works. As you can see, it works amazing. So that guys will be the whole procedure for replacing a battery on Mazda remote. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.